Welcome to the 172nd Avenue Virtual Open House. If you are not able to attend the open house on July 20th at Scouters Mountain Elementary School, we hope you will take the time to provide us feedback after this video. This is the last round of public involvement, so we ask you to please let your neighbors and friends know that this is their last chance to help choose the final alignment of the 172nd Avenue 190th Drive corridor. The virtual open house will be open from July 15th until July 22nd. At the first public workshop on August 18, 2010, the project team introduced the corridor purpose and goals and explained the public involvement process. The team explained that while there are many options for traveling east and west in the study area, the options for traveling north and south are very limited, with no direct routes available between I-205 and Southeast 242nd Avenue. The team also noted that the 172nd to 190th corridor is suited for a future north-south connection, as it is centrally located between I-205 and Southeast 242nd, and is also the site of a natural break in the hilly terrain. At Public Workshop Number 2 on August 6, 2010, the project team provided a Corridor Design 101 class and asked attendees to help design their preferred corridor alignments based on the environmental and land use constraints in the study area. 11 by 17-inch sheets showing the environmental constraints and proposed future land uses were provided, along with a 3D model showing topography constraints within the study area. Attendees also used cross-section builder tools to create a streetscape design for the corridor. 61 unique corridor alignment sketches and 28 unique streetscape designs were created at the meeting. The project team then took these concepts and sorted them into 18 alignments and 18 streetscapes and presented them at Public Workshop Number 3 on December 8, 2010. Workshop participants reviewed the concepts and chose the 5 corridor alignments they would like to see carried forward for further analysis. They also commented on which streetscapes they felt would best meet their desired character of the future corridor. Based on feedback received at Public Workshop Number 3 and Virtual Workshop Number 3, the project team chose 5 corridor alignments and performed a more in-depth analysis, including evaluation of roadway capacity needs for each alignment. Each concept was scored against the project evaluation criteria and compared to the other alignment concepts. Based on these rankings and feedback received at Workshop 4 on March 30th, concepts AT2, AS6, and AS10A were further evaluated. Since that time, the project team has done extensive environmental assessments of the project study area and analyzed the cost impacts to build each of the 3 most promising alternatives. Based on their findings, they have preliminarily recommended that concept AS10A be chosen as the preferred build alternative, as it most closely meets the project goals and criteria by providing an efficient north-south connection while minimizing environmental impacts and costs. It should be noted, however, that this concept relies heavily on a separate project that would build a connection between Southeast Foster Road and Highway 212 to the south. Without this connection, motorists could not efficiently travel between Southeast Foster Road and Highway 212. Concepts AT2 and AT6 rely less on this improvement, as they emphasize Southeast 172nd Avenue to connect south to Highway 212. The timing of the Foster Road to Highway 212 connection is uncertain at this time. When this video concludes, simply close it to begin the virtual workshop. You can read the introductory information and then click on the links for Technical Memo 8.1 and 8.2. These links will provide more detailed information about each of the alternatives, such as how they'll operate, any land use and environmental concerns, as well as basic construction information. Once you've read that material, you can also view the evaluation criteria, which was the things we were looking for in the alternatives as we went through this whole process. Once you've read all of that information, you can now begin to look at each of the alternatives in more detail. Click on any of them to go to the detailed page that will show a brief description of that alternative, as well as display 4 maps showing various information. You can click on any of those maps to view it in greater detail. When you finish reviewing the information for this alternative, simply return to the alternatives page and provide your feedback in the box at lower right. You can specify whether or not you prefer the alternative, why, and rank it compared to the others. When you save your feedback, you'll be returned to the main page, and a green checkmark will be placed over that alternative, showing that you've submitted your feedback successfully. When you've submitted feedback for each of the alternatives, you're done with the virtual workshop. Thank you for providing your insight to help shape the look and feel of this important future roadway. We value your feedback and hope to see you at the open house on July 20th at Scouters Mountain Elementary School from 6 to 9 p.m. Thank you.